She was just a teenager when her world was ripped apart. The sky above Auschwitz wasn't cloudy, but it was darker than any storm she had ever known. Lily Ebert had lost everything: her home, her freedom, her siblings, even her name. All that remained was hope. This is not just a story of survival. It's a story of unimaginable strength, silent prayers, and one handwritten message that helped carry a young girl through the ashes of war. This is the story of Lily Ebert. Welcome to the ChatGPT Hub. If you believe true stories can heal, awaken, and inspire, then please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, because this story will stay with you long after it ends. Lily was just 14 when the Nazis invaded Hungary. By the age of 20, she was no longer a student, a sister, or a daughter. She was simply prisoner A-572. She and her family were crammed into a cattle car, taken to Auschwitz. Her mother and two siblings never stepped off alive. Lily survived, but survival didn't mean living. It meant standing barefoot for hours in freezing snow. It meant hunger, fear, humiliation, every day. And it meant clinging to the tiniest flicker of faith when everything else had been taken. And then, something extraordinary happened. In 1945, when Allied forces liberated the camp, a young American soldier handed Lily something. It wasn't food. It wasn't medicine. It was a simple piece of currency, a banknote. But on it he had written, "Good luck and happiness." 4 words, 4 powerful words that told her, "You matter. You're free. You are human again." That moment, that message, stayed with Lily for the rest of her life. She kept the note as a reminder that even in the darkest places, kindness still lived. Years later, her great-grandson shared a photo of the note online, asking the world for help in finding the soldier who wrote it. Within days, they found his family. Lily was finally able to say thank you, 75 years later. But Lily's journey didn't end with survival. She became a writer, a speaker, and a living witness to one of humanity's darkest hours. She dedicated her life to sharing her story with young people around the world. Not to spread fear, but to inspire courage. Not to stir hate, but to plant hope. Lily taught us that pain doesn't have the final word. Memory does. And through memory, healing begins. She lived past 100 with a heart full of purpose. She turned horror into hope and scars into stories, so the world would never forget. If this story moved you, let Lily's legacy live on. Like this video, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to the ChatGPT Hub for more powerful stories that the world needs to hear. Until next time, stay inspired, stay human,